Hello guys. Today we are going to be making custom blocks part 2, but instead of inside of Scratch like we did with these 2 blocks we made, we are going to be doing it in a different website. So basically go to a new tab, search up scratchblocks.github.com. Just search up Scratch blocks. And then click on the first thing that pops up. And then you're here. So let's say you want to make a factorial block. So just enter the exclamation mark, and then because the curly brackets are another block, the square brackets are this. You can have text, but if you do these, you get that. And if you do these, you also get the same thing, but if you do these, you get this. So basically, let's just say you want the factorial of 10. The colon, looks, and then let's say you want to get it to operate this. You enter the 3 colons, and then you can just do quarter. Boom. It's got your block here. As you can see, we've got the block, and this is like actual block. But it's not really an actual block. You can also switch to 2.0 or high contrast. So you can just make this. But also you can make it Boolean, stack, hat, hat. And you can also make it a cap. I'm going to stick with reporter. And this, you can do any category or any hex code. And yeah, you can just click on export as PNG, and it downloads the PNG. That is all for Scratch blocks. Which is yeah. So let's bye. Have a great time. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. And bye.